Hey guys, it's me Levon, Loaded Operator 7. Today I'm giving you a quick review on these Nebo flashlights that I bought. They were on sale, so I bought one of each of them, and then I really liked those ones, so I went back and I bought four more. I put them in my trailer. So, a couple in my truck and a couple in my trailer. So these guys are absolute garbage, even though they bear the Channel Lock name. Total garbage. I first bought the blue one. It died on me in a crawl space and left me in the middle of nowhere. So I was really pissed off about it. I went back to the store. The guy says, "Oh, we got a new improved model, blah, blah, blah." He gave me this one. It's got a high and low setting. Again, damn thing failed me while I was in a crawl space. I had an electrician buddy of mine check this thing out. He even cleaned all the contacts with this electrical spray. Still garbage. So I'm just going to melt those down because that's about all they're worth is the weight in aluminum. I contacted Channel Lock. They said, no, it's a third party that creates them, and they sell them through like Do It Best was where I bought them from. So those little half-ass hardware stores. So she says, I'm going to have the customer service representative or the head of customer service contact you from Do It Best via email. Heard nothing from them. Zero. Never. They didn't even bother getting a hold of me. So I said, okay, no problem. I can always make a video on how much garbage these things are. I was going to say something worse than that, but don't buy them just because it's got the Channel Lock name on it. They're absolute garbage. I would never buy them ever again. Nebo brand, on the other hand, I would totally buy in a heartbeat. So this one originally was given to me by a buddy of mine, James, who used to be my neighbor in California, and he runs a small hardware store. He gave me one. I bought one, and then he gave me one, and they still work great. And that was 2012. So they're, no, 2012, 2013. 7, 8 years old, work great. Amazing. So I'll go quickly over these features. This little guy, really cool little guy. It's got several features to it. I'll quickly go over them. So you got light modes. It's got high, 250 lumens. You got a low, 80 lumens. You got a strobe, 250 lumens, and you got a turbo at 450 lumens. Now, the turbo only lasts for 40 seconds, and then it dials it back down to the 250 lumens. But it's by far a super... it's an amazing little flashlight. Cool things about it is it's got a 1480, what is it, 1480 rechargeable battery in it. 14.5 lithium ion battery. So it's one of those long blue batteries. You could charge it via USB, mini USB, so your cell phone charger will work on that. It's got zoom features, so quick, just regular, and then you can, boom, bump it up to 450. I gotta put this back on the charger. It's been in my truck for a while, but even with that, it's pretty powerful. That is my go-to when it goes to, and I got a noise outside or something happening. I grab that and I grab my my trusty old Canon, and I take that with me. So next up is the 500. Now this is waterproof. This is again Nebo. Excuse me. It's got the zoom feature, very bright, 500 lumens. You got a medium, you got a low, you got strobe, you got SOS, and you can actually dial this guy in so that if you want a straight beam or you want flood, you can have one or the other. And it's super bright, guys. This thing is very powerful. 500 lumens, waterproof. This is awesome when it's raining and pouring outside, or if I got a wet job, something that like underneath the house, or if I'm dealing with like plumbing, like toilets or something where I might be something might fall in. I take that guy with me. Really cool flashlight. Takes 3 AAAs. Your settings real quick are, you got high at 500 lumens, you got medium at 200 lumens, and you got low at 50 lumens. Strobe is 500 lumens, and SOS is 500 lumens. And you can, like I said, you can floodlight, or you can have it as a spotlight. Really, really cool flashlight. TacSlide is basically the predecessor to this guy right here. This is the new version. This guy's got a lot of features, guys. This is a really cool flashlight. It's got 300 lumens at high, 150 lumens at medium, 30 lumens at low. Strobe is 300 lumens, SOS is 300 lumens. And then this is the cool trick about it is, like I said, you got high. You can switch through without ticking the button, so you can just tap it. There's low, there's strobe, there's SOS, and then you hit it again, and look at that. So that's the Cobb, and that's pretty dang bright. It's 200 lumens at 3 hours. Now you hit it again, and it drops to low, and then you hit it again, and it's got the emergency red blinker in there. So pretty damn. My eyes are all screwed up now. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 features in one small little flashlight. Awesome little flashlight. Totally worth it. I would buy more if they had some more, but sadly I went too late and they were all gone. This is another cool flashlight. Now I bought 4 more of these, so I got 2 in my truck and 2 in my trailer, and I really like this one. This is a multitask Nebo. It's 500 lumens. It's got the spotlight on the top, and these are fresh batteries I just put in them. I put fresh batteries in this one, this one, this one. That one's rechargeable. This is, I believe, 300 lumens for the little spotlight in the front. So 200 lumens for the flashlight. The work light is powerful, man. That's 500 lumens, and you don't want to look bright. You don't want to look directly into that. 500 lumens, lasts about 2 hours. You could drop it down to low, and that's 200 lumens on low. And then if you hit it again, it's got the emergency flasher. And this is also one of my favorite flashlights. The fact that it's got the spotlight on it, and it's got the, whoa, okay, so much for that. Now I'm going to see stripes for a while. Awesome flashlight. I'm glad I picked up more of those. They're like $9. That's a $30 flashlight. Totally worth every penny. When it comes to any Nebo product, I would buy them right away. If I knew that the sale was gonna, or if that they were gonna disappear that fast, I would have bought at least 2 or 3 more of each one of them. And I'm gonna go look online, but I'm not gonna find that same deal. I was at Harbor Freight, and I found this guy, and look how similar it is. The lens and everything is similar. Only thing different is, I think he's got a single strand of Cobb, and these got double strand of Cobb, but this is only 200 lumens, and it's got 2 settings. You got one setting, you got a low setting, and that's it. So, but it's surprisingly same build when it comes to like the design. These were $6.99, so I bought 3 of them just to have and see how well they do. I also bought a bunch of rechargeable batteries, considering how many flashlights I had. I have the ones that go on this little rack, basically. This guy goes in here, sits like that. These are all brand new. These are all brand new. I got a bunch that are already charging up right now, so I'm waiting on those guys to get ready. So all the ones in the tray need to be charged. All the ones in the bottom are ready to go. Totally worth it. Buy yourself some rechargeable batteries. They pay for themselves. I've reused these batteries over and over and over again. So absolutely worth it. All the Nebos actually do come with batteries, and they're not in the flashlights like the Harbor Freight one. They were in the flashlight. These come separate, so you can keep them for storage and whatnot, and the batteries won't go bad until you're ready to use them. Pop them in your flashlight, they're ready to go. But hands down, when it comes to flashlights and dependability and durability, I would go with the Nebos any day of the week. The fact that I got these guys and they're going on 7-8 years and they still work great, I'm gonna definitely only buy Nebos from now on if it comes to spending money on a flashlight. So don't be suckered by the name brand that's printed on the damn thing. Go by actual company and based on the history of them. 8 years, haven't given me any problems whatsoever. Not even lasted a year and those things croaked on me. So any questions or comments, guys, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Please do. And if you hit any likes or any comments, that helps out my channel a lot. I'd really appreciate that. It's a miracle my daughter hasn't interrupted me. This is like take 3. So questions or comments, leave them below. Definitely buy Nebos if you see them on sale. Totally worth them. Thanks for watching, guys, and wish you all the best.